look. Another glorious morning. Makes me sick.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready for Halloween? I love everything Halloween. I don't know what I'm gonna do for Halloween this year. So as promised, I wanted to do another look using the ColourPop Hocus Pocus palette. Yes, it is another glorious morning, as you saw earlier, with my snow that I woke up to today. Like, what the heck? It's not even Halloween yet. Giving us snow. I can't. Anyways, so I wanted to do like a little more like spooky, fun, Halloween-esque look since my first look was more of like on the neutral side. This is gonna be more witchy and more fun. So let's go ahead and jump on into it and also look at my kimono. I'm obsessed with this kimono. Like, it's all I can wear right now. Like, just obsessed. It's from Amaryllis and Ashley, I think it's Ashley Nichols, Ashley something. It's her collaboration with Amaryllis that they did, and when I saw this on Instagram, I was like, I gotta have it. I'm not a huge like clothes type person. Like, I could buy Amazon basics all the time and be totally fine and give me all the makeup, but this one, I had to have it. Had to have it. So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm gonna start by priming my eyes with the P. Louise Acid Rain Blank Canvas. And I'm just gonna take that on a little kabuki brush here and take it all over the eyelid area. And I always make sure to drag it out a little. So now that primer is down, I'm gonna grab my Gather Round Sisters palette here. And I don't know kind of what to do here. I'm kind of struggling on my ideas because I just did a purple look, as you just saw, and it was like very blown out. It was like my celestial queen, princess, whatever look you would want to call it for Halloween. And then I just did a green eyeshadow palette with the Dose of Colors palette that I have. So, and those are the colors in here, the purples and the greens. I guess we're just gonna clash and have them meet in the middle. I think what I wanna do, I'm gonna take this M433 brush, it's the nice pinched one, and I'm going to start out with Dead Man's Toe. Okay, and I'm gonna start by placing this right here into the upper crease area. I'm trying to stamp all the shades in first. And then I'm going to take some here and create that outer V shape. Do not worry, it's gonna look a little patchy and not blended at the moment, but we're gonna go back in and fix that. I'm taking my M326 brush, focus. Wow. Okay, it's a little teeny tiny detail brush. And I'm gonna grab Night of Frolic here, and I'm going to take it and just stamp it down and really deepen up this socket here. Okay, this upper area is kind of driving me crazy, so I want to hurry and fix it. I'm going to grab On Toast here, and I'm going to take it on my M504 brush, the big giant fluffy brush, and I'm just going to skim it right on top of that. Now I want to cut the crease, and I'm going to take my M170-4 brush, and I'm gonna go back into my P. Louise blank canvas where I can just pull this out here, and I'm gonna cut my crease like normal, if you look here, you can see my crease of my eyelid right here. I go right above that line so that when I when I open my eyes, you can still see it and it doesn't hide away as much. And now while this is still tacky, I want to go in and apply the next color. I'm going to take my JH41 brush here and I'm going to go in with the color Yabos. Yabos. Really likes Allison's Yabos. I feel like you get so much color payoff when you really press it in and drag. Okay, so now that that color is laid down, I do want to go in and add some of that purple. I'm going to go in with Thackeray Binks here, and I'm gonna go in on that same JH41 brush that I just used, and I'm going to take this onto the outer area, outer V. Sorry, my alarm was going off there. And I'm just gonna blend it right into that green there. Okay, this look is almost there, but it's not quite there. So I'm gonna grab that M326 brush again. I'm gonna clean it off. And not like it really matters because this next little bit is gonna be okay. I'm gonna go in with I Call It a Bus. This is actually a really beautiful shade with all the shimmers that are in it. And I'm gonna basically take it in the exact same spots where I took the Night of Frolic shade before. And I'm just gonna start stamping it in the outer V area again. See how I'm tapping and pressing and not like swirling it around. Okay, I don't know how much longer I can take this under eye situation here, but I'm kind of done placing the shadows in a way that they're gonna fall out. I'm gonna take this kind of angled fluffy brush that I have from Morphe, and I'm just gonna take some eye makeup remover here. So I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna start buffing all this away, and I'm just gonna drag this straight on up. Clean that sucker up. And then it's like I used a shadow shield without having to use a shadow shield. And then I'm gonna take it and kind of clean up this inner area so that I can ensure that like nothing went too far in. Okay, looking top notch. Perfecto. Awesome. I don't know what that meant. So I'm going to grab the Hocus Pocus glitter. It's the purple one. This one's calling out my name with this look. I have to use it. Have to use it. It is beautiful. And I'm just gonna take this like eyeshadow sponge here, and I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna tap it all over where I placed Thackeray Binks. And since it is a Halloween look, I am going to kind of like drag it up a little. Into the crease area and just really kind of try to blow it up. I like that. So now that I have that glitter on, I want the green to stand out just a little bit more here as I'm looking at it. So I'm gonna scrape out a little bit of this Yabos onto my clear palette here, and I'm going to mix it up with the Mario mixing medium. And I'm just gonna take this concealer brush here and I'm going to just press that on. I am going to line my eyes with the Kaja matte black liner. And then before I go in with my foundation, I do want to take, I Call It a Bus on this same color, or on this same brush the E326 brush, and especially here on the outer, so much fallout. Just going to mattify the line just like I did before, or like I always do. Another thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to grab this JH32 brush. It's like a larger blending fluffy brush. And go into this lavender powder just a little tiny bit. I'm gonna tap off a lot of that excess. And I'm gonna go right in here and kind of set. Okay, now brows are on. Kind of having a little bit of an off brow day. I don't know what it is. It's just not vibing quite the same. Now for my lower lash line, I'm trying to decide if I should do pink. If I should do purple or green. I think I should do purple. So I'm gonna go in with Dead Man's Toe. Dead Man's Toe. What does this one have on it? Oh, said it has a star next to it on the back of the palette here, which that means down below it says not intended for use in the immediate eye area. Now that one's matte. It's got to be like the pigment or the dye in it. It could be like one of those shades that stains the eyelid area. I'm gonna grab this Morphe M431 brush, and I'm just gonna start blending this onto that lower lash line. And it's kind of same situation for up top. I'm gonna take this JH37. See, it's a nice flat brush. And I'm going to just barely tap on toast here, barely. And I'm going to run that right underneath that purple. Trying to decide if I should like bring it out like the last lick, but I don't want it to be like the last lick, so I don't think I'm gonna do that. So now I'm just gonna put on some lashes. These are some lashes that I actually got on Amazon, and I'm digging them. So, but they have like a faux mink look to them. Just gonna grab my Milk Kush mascara, coat my upper lashes with it. I have this purple liner from Urban Decay, the 24/7 Glide On pencil. It's in the color Voodoo. And I want to line my lower lash line with this, or my lower inner lash line, my lower waterline, you know, whatever this is called. Looking to see what else I need here in my lower lash line, or my lower lash mascara. This is the MAC Extended Play Giga Black. Okay, I think in all seriousness, this look needs more of like a nude lip. So I'm gonna go in with my favorite. It's the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte in the color Stone. This is like my favorite of all time. I let that dry down, and then like if I feel like I need to add something else with it, I will. But for now, I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna grab my Saucy eyelash glue, and I'm going to take some rhinestones here. I've got some like little yellow ones, I have some AB ones, and I have some kind of like golden ones. So I'm just gonna play around here. I don't want it to be as much as I did the other day, but I do want just a little something something. Here on the inner tear duct, I want one. And here I'm gonna take an AB stone. I think I need some just right there. Just a couple. Playing it safe, can you tell? If you've been watching me for a while, you know I've like, when it comes to putting rhinestones on, I'm like, yes. Give them all to me. And then I still need just like a little bit of some highlighter. So I'm gonna go into my Jaclyn Hill highlighter palette here, and I'm just gonna grab my M510. And I'm going to go more into these two colors right here, and then just start buffing that on here. I'm gonna take this Morphe lip liner in the color Crush. It's kind of got more of a purple undertone. Okay, sisters, that is it for this Hocus Pocus inspired look. Very Halloween-esque for those of us who are working and want to do something fun but maybe can't go all crazy out there. This might be a fun option for you. Maybe if you feel like it's a little too much, take out the rhinestones. The rhinestones are just for fun. Okay, so that is it for my Halloween witchy look using the Hocus Pocus Gather Round Sisters palette with the Amok glitter. I love how this turned out. I was a little hesitant when I started and I was kind of trying to create these tones to come together. But now that it is all done, I love it, and I guess it's just more proof that when you are creating a look, just have faith in the process, just finish it out, see how it goes, and then if you don't love it, then you can go in and change it, but just have faith in the process because it can surprise you. So I hope you guys have a fabulous happy Halloween, and it is Bewitching. That is it using my Gather Round Sisters eyeshadow palette with the Amok Glitterly Obsessed Gel. This year Halloween is on a Saturday. It's a full moon. Clock's set back an hour. Don't forget we fall back on Halloween, which means Halloween is like an extra hour long, which is like, oh, awesome, right? Halloween's my favorite, if you can't tell. I don't know. I love Christmas too, though. But there's just something special about Halloween to me. I just have always loved it. I've been drawn to it. So anyways, just wanted to give some well wishes from me to you. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. Leave any comments, requests, questions, anything down below. I love to talk to you guys. Hit that notification bell down here if you want to be notified every time I upload a video. Guys, I think I have one more video coming in my Fall Vibes series, so keep an eye out for that one, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Vagabones Jones, I feel like we're sitting on the wrong sides here. Your hat's like not working with that angle. Okay, how you doing, bud? Oh, doing great. Yeah? Your time around this lap of the sun and moon. Your time here during the year 2020 is almost up. Oh, I don't know how I feel about that. I know. You're about to go back into storage. No, please keep me out all year long. Yeah. Seriously, I feel so bad whenever he has to go back down. He's my buddy. I don't know what I would do without him. I know. I love you too, bud. Choo-choo. Hello. Leave any comments, requests, questions, anything down below. Love to talk to you guys. Hit that notification bell right down there. If you want to be notified anytime I upload any new videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Happy Halloween. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye.